Hey everyone, you're doing a matching activity today, so we are in our classwork. You can see topic B, unit 3. All right, we saw the stuff we were working on yesterday. Let's get you to where we're at because it's not actually labeled as a lesson. There it is. There's your boxes, there's your answers. So you can see up top it says scenario. That's the description of what's going on, and then a number line that's there. So it's time to play a matching game here, people. All right. The thing is you have to match the information. So you can see here in letter A, it says Brittany went to an office supply store twice last week. The first time she made 2 copies that cost 20 cents each. The second time she did not buy anything but found 2 dimes in the parking lot. Okay, so we're looking at what numbers do those represent. So when we kind of think about this here, all right, we're spending money if we are making copies because it costs money that's there. And it was 20 cents each. So this particular case, we're talking about a negative 40 cents. And then she found 2 dimes. Well, that's 20 cents. Well, we're finding money. That's a positive. That's it. So those are the 2 numbers I'm looking at. Now I've got to find who it matches up with. So if I look at B, no way that's in the hundreds. No way D, that's past negative 400. All right. F, no, it's on a 32. H, no, that's on a -8. J, no way, between a 3 and a 4. L, let's go to the other page that's there. All right. N, no way, that's in the hundreds. P, no way, 32. R, no, I'm around -5 there. T, looks like I'm like at a 3. Nope. Oh, look at V and look at X. Now here we go, because now we're within the ones that are there. All right, so let's look at V first. V, all right, if I count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 5 marks to get there. Okay, so that's 20s. So that's a 20, a 40, a 60, an 80, and then a 1. So, okay, so this has got a possibility. But now remember, we wanted go all the way back up here, a negative 40 cents. So if I go, no, that's a negative 20 cents that's there. So that's no good. Get yourself over the X. Of course, it's the last one. Of course, yes, up 20 cents because we're counting by our 10 or 20-cent intervals, 20 cents, 40 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents, a dollar. All right. So there we go. So that letter A is going to match up with X. So I'm going to go and I'm going to go ahead and write this in. All right. Scenario A matched up with number line X. And there we go. I'm on to the next one there. So you can go ahead and match them up. The big thing here is you want to write down the numbers that we're talking about first and then find it on the number line. Each one will only match with 1. If you want to get real arts and crafty, cut them out, people. Just don't write the letters down. Cut them out, glue, tape, paste them next to each other. I don't even know if you guys know what paste is. All right, you and your glue sticks, younger kids. Anyway, all right, ask your parents about paste. But you can do that if you want, or you can do simply what I did. All right, see how it goes. Enjoy.